Hi, in today's video, we'll talk about how to get money off a Mastercard gift card. Watch until the end of the video to learn more. You can transfer money from a Mastercard gift card by linking the card to a PayPal wallet or selling the gift card at a kiosk. Let's start with linking the Mastercard with PayPal. Open the PayPal app on your device. Tap Wallet on the bottom right corner of your screen. Select the Add Banks and Cards option in the middle of the screen. Tap Debit and Credit Cards. Enter the 16-digit card number followed by the expiration date and CVC security number. You can also scan the card. Tap Link Card. You can now access the gift card balance via the digital wallet and withdraw the funds to a linked bank account. Alternatively, you can sell the gift card at an online gift kiosk. You can sell your Mastercard gift card for cash at cardcash.com or givecash.com. Both links are in the description. However, you won't receive the full value of your gift card. The common modes of payment include a PayPal transfer, check in the mail, or automatic clearinghouse H-transfer, which facilitates a direct deposit to your bank account. So that's it. Getting money off a Mastercard gift card is just that easy. Thanks for watching. Till next time.